So, you're sad because your phone is lagging, freezing, restarting itself randomly. That doesn't necessarily mean it's gone forever. The fault may lay in a third-party app you've installed. It would be nice if you could make sure of that, and that exactly is the topic of this video. All Android devices can be booted into safe mode, which means the device starts with only the original software and pre-installed apps. If in safe mode your problem stops occurring, the conclusion would be that one or more of the apps you have installed is causing the problems you were having. That all makes sense, but how to enter the safe mode? Well, it's actually really simple. I have a couple of devices here, since there are a couple of different ways manufacturers enable safe mode. First method is to simply hold the power button until the power menu appears. You've done this thousands of times. But this time, do not simply tap on power off, tap and hold. In a second, you'll see a new menu appear, informing you you're about to restart the device in safe mode. You might even find some short instructions here. So confirm the choice and wait for the phone to boot up again. While that's happening, let's check the other way. This one is actually a bit more complicated. Again, hold the power button and actually turn off the phone. Now, turn it back on as you normally would, but as soon as you see the screen light up, press and keep holding the volume down button. Do so until the boot process is over, and while you're entering your pins, password, etc., notice the little note Safe Mode in the bottom left part of the screen. You can see it on all devices here. If you were paying attention before, you would have noticed I've been using a third-party launcher on the S6, and now I only have an option between Samsung's TouchWiz launcher variants. I'll go ahead and select one so we can proceed. You can also notice none of the widgets are active. If I open the app drawer, the list of apps is quite shorter than usual, because all the apps I've put on the phone aren't here. I can, however, make changes to them, by which I mean uninstall them, from the settings menu. You can see there are actually many more apps on this phone than we saw in the app drawer. Also, if we go to our home screen and try to launch an app via the existing shortcut, we'll get this message. However, the preloaded apps work as usual. When we've done everything we wanted in safe mode, it's time to disable it. This way we tell the phone to reboot to normal mode. Once again, same story on the LG here, no active widgets, only the preloaded apps in the app drawer, turn off safe mode. Now let's actually make a change. Let's say we believe the last app we installed is causing problems, so we have entered safe mode and here everything works well. It would make sense to uninstall that app. In the app drawer we only see the pre-installed apps, so let's look for it in the settings. Open apps, look for the app in question. Let's take Flashify for an example and uninstall it. As you can see, although we couldn't start the app, we can remove it as usual. Okay, CM doesn't give us a notification we are in safe mode in the notification drawer, so we can just opt to reboot and that will get us out of safe mode. In the meantime, the other phones have rebooted, and on the S6 we can immediately see the active launcher isn't the TouchWiz one, so that means a third-party app is already active. On the LG we see an active widget. Also, there are a couple more apps available in the drawer. So that's how you use safe mode on your Android devices. I hope the video was useful to you. As always, thanks for watching, and until the next video, goodbye.